all my ladybirds, this is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's new today in Shivani's Boutique is the most excited and awaited cotton sarees. Right now what I'm wearing today. Last time there was a great response for cotton sarees and people keep asking me, ma'am, when I will get cotton sarees. These are all casual wears of cottons, very economical ranges. The range start from 1000 to 1600, 800. It differs. So according to your budget, you can purchase. You can grab your colors from Shivani's Boutique. For prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Tirunelveli. Else click the above link which we have mentioned, so that it will straight away land to that page. Or else, if you have any difficulty in placing orders, you can seek help through our WhatsApp number. It is also displayed there. So the first sari is the same sari where it's all pallu concept. In everything, the pallus will be rich and the body will be motifs here and there. So this is what a casual wears of cotton saris. These are all pure cottons where you need not starch also. If you really wanted to, some people have the taste of adding starch to that fabric so that it will absorb starch also. It differs according to your taste and preference. So this is the second color in this, and it has a beautiful blouse this way. It is like a printed with little bit of hand works. It's like what to say, hand threads work here and there. So this is the first sari and it has got colors in this, number 1, 2, and then there are 3 different colors in this. The next sari is this. It's a patchwork soft cotton sari, and you can, this is the blouse, and it's a half and half concept, like this way. See, this is the pallu part, and this comes for the pleated area, right? And one more sari is this indigo blue. So there are 2 different colors in this concept. We have only limited stocks all the time, limited and exclusive stocks. So whatever you want right now, you just place your orders. And this is the other sari. See, this is a beautiful printed blouse with an embroidery all over. So this is the pallu part, and this body full, this embroidery comes. And we have got beautiful colors in this. Magenta with green, and then this dark green with this blue. All are nice beautiful concept. And the sari, first time you can wash the sari and then wear it, unless otherwise you have got a contrast matching colors, then go for a dry clean. Okay, and one more, 4 colors in each saris. It's a very beautiful nice cotton wear saris. And then this comes, see, these saris are all amazing. And this is the sari. This motifs comes down all over, and you have got a contrast matching blouse for this. The yellow color will be the blouse, and I have got colors in this, 1, 2. Let me show one blouse so that you can understand. This is the blouse part. So 1, 2, 3, all nice vibrant colors, spreading colors globally. Isn't it true? So see this sari, it's all-time favorite in our boutique and also for our online clients. Whenever I put the sari, it goes just like that, and the response and the feel of the fabric is so amazing. See, actually, since it is new, the starch is little over in these saris. So when you wash it out, the starch will go. It will not be so soft, or it will not be so hard like this after the first wash. So this is the blouse part, and yes, I have got beautiful colors in this. See, nice colors, lovely colors. So for everything, the blouse comes the same this way. This is the blouse, weaving blouse. It's not a printed blouse, it's a weaving blouse. So this way, you can first of all read all the descriptions which I have given below the sari, and carefully, and then you place your order, whether it's a fabric of cotton, silk cotton, Seco silk, mixed cotton, soft cotton. So people, so that you can understand what I am about to convey you. So see these, this one more color I have got in this. You can see that in our website. It's another blue color. It's a patchwork with a blouse, and then all are the same fabric, whichever I'm showing it to you. So pallu will be always the rich pallu, and body comes little booties here and there, and this is the blouse part for this. And I have got all nice colors. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, all nice beautiful colors. India is so amazing. We have lots and lots of colors. Sober colors also there. Bright colors are also there. Then dusty color, woody colors. Oh, it's so beautiful, isn't it? See, this is the other sari with embroideries where it has the same matching blouse. And I have got two different designs in the same concept, but two different designs. And you have got lovely colors in this, all nice yellow color. And yeah, these in these I have got nice colors in two different concepts. You can see the embroidery. This is floral embroidery, and this one more floral embroideries. So the next comes this. So this is the one. See, this is amazing, and this is the printed blouse with a patchwork all over, and two colors are there. So up to now I have shown you the casual cotton saris which could be starched. Now comes my handloom cotton sari, which is really soft to the extent it is soft. Some people prefer this way. It should be soft and smoothie. See, you can feel the difference. You can see the difference. I can feel the difference. So this much soft, where abla works are here and there too. It's a value added thing. And then I have got beautiful amazing colors in this. Nice grey color, and purple color, beautiful purple color, and then a deep maroon color. So these are all nice beautiful colors which you can find it in our website. For prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com, here under the heading cotton saris. So the next design comes this, all nice beautiful colors with a beautiful blouse part. And once again I have got very exclusive colors. All are nice pretty colors. And then comes this. It's an indigo blue with all over embroidery. So this is the sari with all over embroidery, and of course it has got a nice beautiful lovely colors. Whoever is fond of colors, this episode is absolutely for you guys. Just grab your products. The next comes these, and these 4 saris, it's called as a Siko silk. These are all not cottons. This flow is very amazing. It is like it's like a slim fit flow. So these are all not cottons. It's a Siko silk. Please read the description carefully and then place your orders. So I have got nice colors in this. The print and the zari part is so beautiful, and the blouse part is also very nice. The washing is too easy, and the maintenance is very easy. So some people may be asking, I want a very good maintenance. I don't maintain. I'll wear just like that. For them, I know this fabric is so good. See, my favorite white has come with an amazing color. For this sari, you please go for first time dry clean, so that this color will not go, but still there are possibilities of oozing out of colors from here to there. So you go for a first time dry clean. This is our all time favorite sari. Nearly for 13 years I am selling this sari, and it's so amazing. All the time it keeps selling. The colors are so pretty and amazing. All nice colors. Just tell me which color is not nice in this. All the colors are too good. Alright. And then comes our regular batik style of sari, where the colors combinations are very good, and you have got embroideries on this. And this is the maroon color body, and it comes with the same blouse. So these are all the different colors. Ulta pulti color, this like this, and then it's a rust color, and then with a blouse, And then finally it's a mustard yellow color with this blouse. Hope you all enjoyed seeing colors. Hope what to say, it's really nice showing beautiful colors and beautiful sarees and people who are expecting for the sarees. All right, so this is the end of the episode. We'll get back to you soon with all lots and lots of lots of new arrivals. Stay back at your house, browse all our products, and then purchase it online. Don't come here to the boutique for meantime. So thank you so much. Bye bye. Be safe.